Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of the Stock Medic. Because of the global resurgence of the global pandemic, the Rona, we're going to take a look at some of those vaccine stocks. We're going to revisit them. Rising cases in all 50 U.S. states, in Asia, Indonesia, and with the China's Sinovac vaccine not able to do the job that it was designed to do, I believe we should look at Moderna, BNTX, Novavax, and Vaxart. And we'll do this right after the intro. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of the Stock Medic. I'm Courtney Thomas, and in today's episode, I believe it's appropriate that we revisit our vaccine stocks and update them. With cases rising in all 50 U.S. states, according to The Guardian, and a lot of these cases are rising in the population that's not been vaccinated. And also, cases are rising in Asia and in Indonesia. Over 50,000 new reported cases as of Monday, which is today. Not only that, over 95% of healthcare workers in Indonesia were vaccinated with the China's Sinovac vaccine. And there's a large population of them that are getting the vaccine, but they're then getting the virus, and many of them are dying in the healthcare field. So we need to look at our vaccines. I don't believe the Sinovac is doing its job, so the world needs a reliable vaccine.
Hello and welcome to the program. I'm Mohammed Jamjoom. COVID-19 is sweeping across Indonesia at alarming speed. It's overtaken India as Asia's pandemic hotspot. The country recorded more than 34,000 new infections and 1,300 deaths on Monday, although that's down from Saturday's peak of nearly 52,000 cases. This chart from the University of Oxford's Our World in Data shows the numbers going up dramatically over the past month. Researchers believe the real figures could be much higher because of low testing rates. The highly infectious Delta variant is driving the surge. Only 6% of Indonesia's population is fully vaccinated against COVID-19. The country is relying on China's Sinovac jab, which appears to be less effective. 114 doctors have died this month, despite 95% of health workers being inoculated. The U.S. is donating 4.5 million Moderna vaccines, some of which will be used as booster shots.
So we're going to start with Moderna. First of all, Moderna's been going up for the past 5 or 6 days. It's got a very nice support level at around $240. And then over the past 5 days, it went from $240 now at $313. Really good volume here in Moderna. Volume bars are getting larger and larger, very green bars. I believe we can probably get this thing into the 320, 325 area. I think Moderna will go higher. It's very effective. It's the one that I got, one that many people that I know got that vaccine. It seems to work really well. At this point, it is overbought, but it could go higher. So the next stock we're going to look at would be Novavax. Now, I like Novavax here. Again, this one has had some problems, but they've fixed those supply issues that they've had in the past. The stock has gotten down to as low as 120, which is about right here. And now, it's at 210, closed at 210. It went up $23 today, or 12.78%. There is and has been a resistance here around 221, 220 or so. I think if Novavax can break through the 220 area, I believe we can get 240 or higher from the stock. It is still oversold. It's trending up. Buyers showed up today. Nice bullish candle here on the volume bar. Nice bullish candle today, breakout from the wedge. I think you should add Novavax to your watch list. The other stock that we're going to look at would be BNTX. Out of all of these, I really like BNTX. BNTX, they're partnered with Pfizer, and these guys have been working together, doing a really good job. This stock bottomed in April, at about $95. And now we're in July, and it's here at $242. Moved up $11 today, over 4.8%. I have options on BNTX. I like the stock. I also own the shares. Nice volume bars, as you can see. Big green volume bars. Lots of buyers are coming in here. It's appropriate that buyers come into this space because, as I said before, the world needs a reliable vaccine. And with the Dow and the NASDAQ and the S&P has been selling off as late, we need a sector that can power through that. And I believe the vaccine sector may be able to power through. I don't believe the selling in the general market is over. I believe we may get a couple of days of rally, but I think it's going to come back. We'll have a plan for that. We talk about that in Discord, what we're going to buy, when we're going to buy it. These things go out days before. We made our positions on Thursday and then Friday on Moderna, BNTX, Vaxart. I like BNTX here. I think it can go higher. I believe it's at 242 now. I think it can get up to 265, maybe even 270. And then the last one that we're going to look at is going to be Vaxart, VXRT. I like Vaxart here. It's the lowest price of the bunch. It's at $784 right now. Support level on Vaxart, you can find that around $6.53. So now it's at $7.84. I believe you can see it's breaking out of this wedge bullish flag on today's trade. Not a whole lot of volume, 12 million shares here traded today, but it did move up 9.50% for the day. Nice ignition candle as well. Oversold, stochastics moving up, money flows moving up. You can tell the RSI is also coming off the bottom and moving up. There are buyers moving into this sector. And I really just wanted to bring this to you guys' attention. Thanks again for joining me in another episode of The Stock Medic. I hope things that I said here today brought value to you. Please destroy the like button for me. Also hit the subscribe button and share this video with those you love and care for. Also, the links are below if you want to trade in stocks and crypto. You can join us as well in our private trading group via the Patreon app in our Discord, where we talk about stocks, trading options, trading crypto, and a multitude of other things all day long, every day. Thanks again for joining us.